So if you're looking for the recommended tire size for your Ram, this truck is a Ram 1500, and it's a 2017 Ram 1500 four-wheel drive, and I'm going to show you where to find the correct tire size as well as the correct air pressure for your tires that's recommended by the factory. This is really easy to do. I'll show you where it's located. So if you go around to the side of your truck, you're going to open up the door, and there'll be a sticker on your door jamb. And the sticker is right here. Let's see if I can get it focused on the camera. So this sticker right here, it'll tell you the front original tire size, and then like the rear original tire size, and then how many PSI. So they recommend 39 PSI on the front and the rear, and that's supposed to give this vehicle the best, factory ride. I think the confusion begins when, including myself, people get tires, aftermarket tires, and they might get some wheels, and the tire might say on it, maximum 45 PSI, and everyone's like, should I fill them up to the 45 PSI? Well, if you look at your door jamb, go by the door jamb for the best factory ride. And if you wanted to, what the tire recommends, that's fine, but what I'm showing you, that's what the factory recommends. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching.